Welcome back to another quick guide. Today we'll walk you through how to edit black and white video in Inshot. If you want to edit a black and white video in Inshot, follow these steps. Open Inshot. Launch the Inshot app on your Android device. Import your video. Tap Video and choose the video you want to edit. Then tap the check button on the bottom right. Go to the filter menu. Tap on filters at the bottom toolbar. Then choose filter. Apply black and white filter. Choose the black and white category. For example, there's lunar. Choose a grayscale filter like mono, black and white 2 if there's any. Just tap on your chosen one. Adjust filter intensity. Use the slider to fine-tune the black and white effect. Add additional edits. Use adjust to tweak brightness, contrast, or shadows. You can also add text, stickers, or effects if needed. Preview your video. Tap the play button to see the changes. And once you are satisfied, tap on the check mark, then tap on the check mark again. Save and export. Tap Export. Choose a resolution like 1080p or 720p and export the video. Now, your video will be in black and white, ready to share. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.